Welcome to India's royal dessert upgrade, the Gulab Jamun cheesecake. First, soak saffron-scented gulab jamuns in syrup until tender and fragrant. Now, let's build. A buttery biscuit crust forms the base. Then we spread a rich cheesecake batter laced with cardamom and rose. Midway through, we press in those syrup-soaked gulab jamuns so every slice reveals a golden jewel inside. Once baked and chilled, it's crowned with pistachios, rose petals, and a shimmer of edible silver leaf. The fusion of creamy cheesecake and syrupy gulab jamun is indulgent, floral, and unforgettable. A true royal East meets West masterpiece.
This isn't your average lava cake. This is Japan's viral matcha strawberry mochi lava cake. Step 1. Mix the batter. Whisk glutinous rice flour, sugar, matcha powder, and water until smooth. Step 2. Bake the mochi cake. Pour into ramekins and bake until just set. Step 3. Add strawberry lava core. Spoon strawberry jam into the center and seal with more batter. Step 4. Bake and release. Bake again, then gently unmold for the reveal. Step 5. Dust and cut open. Dust with matcha powder, slice, and watch the strawberry lava pour out. Would you try Japan's matcha strawberry mochi lava cake? Comment yes.
Churro Ice Cream Sundae Tower, a dessert built to go viral. First, fry golden churros and stack them high like a tower. Between each layer, spoon in scoops of creamy vanilla ice cream. Let it melt and drip just a little for that epic shot. Next, drizzle thick cajeta caramel over the stack, letting it cascade down the sides. Add whipped cream clouds, more churro bites, and another hit of caramel. The final reveal? A messy, gooey, over-the-top sundae tower that screams indulgence and looks like a dessert skyscraper. Pure food porn perfection. Today, we're making Brian M. Inspired's matcha strawberry mochi lava cake. First, let's prepare the mochi base by mixing 1 cup of mochiko, 3/4 of a cup of water, and half a cup of sugar. Stir until smooth, then add 2 tablespoons of matcha powder and whisk until it's green and lump-free. Next, we'll steam the mixture for 10 to 12 minutes until it's sticky and cooked through. After that, knead it with a spatula until it becomes glossy. Now, dust your surface with potato starch and flatten small portions of the mochi into rounds. Spoon some strawberry jam in the middle and pinch the edges to seal, forming our lava cakes. To serve, microwave them briefly for 10 to 15 seconds to warm them up. When you slice them open, you'll see the matcha mochi exterior with the molten strawberry lava center oozing out. Remember, green matcha outside, red strawberry lava inside, the ultimate color contrast dessert shot. Italy's tiramisu gelato bomb. Start with a round mold lined with plastic wrap. Inside, layer softened vanilla gelato mixed with mascarpone. Press in coffee-soaked ladyfinger biscuits around the edges and base. Add another layer of gelato, then hide a secret core of cocoa-dusted tiramisu filling. Seal with more gelato and freeze solid. When ready, unmold the frozen dome and dust the outside with cocoa powder until velvety brown. Slice it open for the reveal. Creamy gelato, soft ladyfingers, and coffee-soaked tiramisu layers melting together. Garnish with shaved chocolate and espresso drizzle. This frozen masterpiece combines tiramisu and gelato into one viral dessert that looks and tastes unforgettable.
For this recipe, we're using traditional tiramisu flavors reimagined in frozen form. First, line a bowl with plastic wrap and fill it with layers of gelato, mascarpone cream, and coffee-soaked ladyfingers. Freeze until solid. Once it's set, unmold it onto a plate and dust generously with cocoa powder. Finally, slice to reveal the gooey coffee-soaked layers inside. This frozen tiramisu dome looks spectacular when cut open, with layers of creamy gelato, rich coffee, and mascarpone oozing out. It's a decadent twist on the Italian classic.
Introducing the French truffle chocolate millefeuille. Start by rolling and baking thin layers of puff pastry until golden, crisp, and flaky. While they cool, whisk together a rich chocolate pastry cream, smooth and decadent. Once ready, layer pastry and chocolate cream alternately to form a towering millefeuille. Dust each layer lightly with powdered sugar. For the luxury upgrade, finish with delicate shavings of black truffle across the glossy chocolate surface. The final presentation is a tall stack of crisp pastry, velvety chocolate, and earthy truffle aroma. A true French masterpiece that looks elegant, tastes indulgent, and is built to go viral.